Imagine you want to move all your products from one category to another, or you want to assign categories to products that don't contain any. In those cases, you would normally have to assign the new category to each of your products individually, which would take hours depending on the number of products you have. To help you with cases like these, we want to show you how to bulk edit product categories in your Easy Digital Downloads products. We'll use the Easy Digital Downloads spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to bulk edit your downloads, as well as perform advanced searches, import and export products in a few minutes. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, you'll see a spreadsheet with all our products and their complete information. To edit product categories, you can do it individually in the spreadsheet by going to the column Download Categories, and edit it just as you would in Excel or Google Sheets. Just remember to save your changes when you are done. Now let's see how we can edit product categories in bulk. To do this, we'll open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the option that fits the rows you want to edit. In this case, we'll select this option to show you how the search tool works. Now you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll look for all products that belong to the fashion category. So we'll enter the word fashion here. Select the category. And run the search. When the products have been filtered, we'll be redirected back to the bulk editing tool to continue editing. Now select to edit the Download Categories field. Pick the Set Value option here. Enter the product category you want to assign to your products here. And execute the changes. As you can see, all our product categories were successfully updated. Assigning new categories to our products doesn't have to be a headache. You can do it in just some minutes with the Easy Digital Downloads spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.